Welcome to the channel The Flow of Light. Today's topic is about atheists and God. Rationalists and atheists are often heard these days. Atheists are those who believe and argue that there is no God. But there are those people who think that rationalists are atheists. But rationalists are very different from atheists. Rationalists are the ones who raise their voices to eradicate the anomalies in the society. Rationalism aims at the good of society, but atheism is stupid and pollutes society. But atheists cannot be said to be deniers of the truth. He's a really blind person. Is it possible to say that a person is a liar if he cries out that there is emptiness in front of him? In fact, he can see nothing. Thus, atheists are those who have lost the spiritual eye to know and experience God. So, what they say is true for them. So, it is better not to oppose them. Rationalist speaks out against the customs and practices of religion. It will make a few people to sit down and think, can lead to reform or independence. Some atheists have told me this that God created everything in 6 days and rested on the seventh day. Isn't that silly? And then make a joke and take class on evolution. Friends, aren't we humans are the one who counts one day and night as a day? How can we calculate the day of God who created the universe? It's not possible. It is given like this in Bible for quick understanding and the importance of God. It is the fear of God that drives man away from many sins. About atheists, they may be able to display a good personality in front of the community. But in private life, it does not have to be that way. But a believer in God will always strive to live in holiness, believing that God knows even when he does in secret. Means God knows even what he does in secret. Chanakya was a renowned teacher in India. In the verses he wrote for the future generation says, do not associate with those who do not fear God. He said so because he understood the danger. There is no doubt that these people are doing a lot of good things in public. But the atheistic argument is misleading a large percentage of people. Atheists argue in favor of science. Well, science is a branch that is still growing. Science has not yet been able to determine whether the tree or the seed originated first. Science still has a lot of unanswered questions. So it is impossible to prove the existence of God using science. Some atheists say so. Why do you advise us not to do this and not to do that? We must make full use of the freedom that our country gives us. Do not try to stop us by talking about God. And in the end, when you do everything that should not be done with the freedom that the country gives you, you will have to take punitive measures that the same country gives you. What I have to say to those who say that advice is like chains to us, dears, those chains are for our good. There is a bush full of thorns near my house. In summer, all the leaves fall off and only the thorns remain. And one day I saw small birds nesting in it. Then I wondered why these birds nesting in it when there are so many trees. I got the answer to that. One day a crow tried to take the small birds out of the cage. but it could not get through the thorns, and the crow gave up trying and flew away. The Creator has given them the knowledge that it does not matter if they endure the heat, so that their children are not taken by the enemy. Thinking it, I praised God. Thus, the words of God may seem like a chain to us, but know that it is for our good. The Bible teaches that it is wrong to lust after a foreign woman and disrespect our parents. For some, these words are bitter, but for others, they are sweet. Some people look at the Bible with great disgust, but these people hold science books together. Let me tell you something. Those who are learning to become doctors study the experience records of many patients. The medicine was tested in humans and made a record, and the treatment is done after learning all this. Likewise, Bible is a record of what God himself has revealed to those who seek him. This is not a fabrication to create a religion. And when some people prophesy things that are going to happen, and sometimes they say many things through visions. So, when something beyond our comprehension happens, these people will say that it is possible with the power of the mind. I would never say this is because of mental strength, because I have had similar experiences. When some come into my fellowship to pray and for counseling, I get the visions of situations they got hurt, where they need to forgive from the heart. I see many things like this as visions. The reason I see these visions is so that the person who comes before me may be saved or healed. It is only in such times that I see these visions. If this were to happen with the power of my mind, I would always be able to, but I can't. I began to have such experiences when I began to live for the gospel. I'm sure that I can do all this by the power transferred from the God above at that time. Although it can be argued that God does not exist because God is invisible, but to those who experience God, this seems to be the weakness of the blind. What I want to say to those who have set out to improve society with these atheistic arguments is that it is a poison that will destroy future generations. And this includes your children too. When your children walk without the fear of God, and then there is no point in mourning when they oppose you, when they fall into many mistakes. Remember that it is essential to instill the fear of God in children. In the same way, faith in God gives those who have lost hope in life and the courage to move forward. Let me say one more thing. Science and history cannot prove that God does not exist. Remember that most of the scientists were believers in God. An example of this is the history of Nikola Tesla, the scientist who invented the AC current. Scientists say that Nikola Tesla's abilities are not human because he had many abilities that humans could not. Scientists consider it supernatural. And my friends, this is a very sad thing that the mindset of atheists has not developed enough to understand God. And for now, my friends, God willing, we will meet again with another video. God bless you all.